Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's another day where the market is just stagnant. We're not going down, we're not going up, but it's been like this since Monday because, yeah, since yesterday, the market been like this. So, guys, again, like, subscribe, and let's get right into it. So, today I want to bring to you, we all know that today is Prime Day, right? And with Prime Day, what happened? Amazon stock normally goes to the moon on the Prime Day. But for some reason, we're still trading lower in Amazon. So prior to this, Amazon was doing wonderful. When I say wonderful, I'm talking about Amazon was in the 200 region because we're trading at 201. And I've been watching this stock. If you check most of my videos, I spoke about this numerous times, guys. Let's look at the trend that's been following Amazon from January, guys. Look, again, this is January 4th of this year. If we had bought Amazon from here, guys, look at this. This is just absolute craziness. Look at this. We would have been up right now 57.6%. So if we would have invested at least $5,000, we would have been up greatly on our money. So again, this is just something for you guys to know. Not everything I do, I want you guys to follow, but just to show you. So the trend has been up, and with Prime Day today, I'm expecting this stock to climb even more next week because we all know that it's earnings season, and Amazon will be reporting their earnings, which is going to go through the roof on the first of next month. So look what happened. Amazon pushed up, pushed up, pushed up, got rejected, found support at our 200-day EMA. Look, guys, found support at 166. Pushed up, super, super overbought, sold, pullback, found support again at our 200-day EMA. And look, pushed up to a new high. So each time we get a pullback, we make a new high. So this is the trend that been following Amazon from January, guys. From the last time Amazon sold off at $118, we have been doing nothing but making new highs. We call it higher low, higher high. Higher low because it's above previous low, which is right here. Because the previous low was $166 and the new low is 175. So we call it higher low. And look at this higher high, higher low, and we pushed up. Now the stock is doing the same thing. It did twice, one, two, and this is the third time. So once we see Amazon at $183, guys, I guarantee you, I can tell you, this is where we want to get in. This is where we want to get in. Even if earnings come out next month, we're expected to report again 8 first. So August 1st, Amazon will be reporting earnings after the bell. We all know that. So once this stock, even if earnings is out and the stock get rejected, guys, it's just temporary rejection. I'm going to prove my point to you. It's just a temporary rejection because once this rejection is over, we all know Amazon is not going nowhere. So therefore, this is a great company to invest in. So once again, once we found support again at our 200-day moving average, which is $182.89, this is a buy for me. And personally, I will be buying Amazon once it get here. And again, even if earnings comes out and Amazon earnings is trash, I'm buying it. Why? Again, because it's a great company. Let me prove my point to you and tell you, even if earnings is out and earnings is bad, guys, it's a sale in the market. I find these as sale in the market because when there is a good deal and you know this is a good company that's not going anywhere, we want to take advantage of these sales. So let me prove my point to you. Let me go over to um Meta. Meta is a stock that I have 200 shares in Meta right now. I'm down on the stock. I've got 200 shares from like 205, 505. Earnings came out. Meta got rejected, right? At $415 a share. What is Meta trading at now? $485. 488. It got rejected. Earnings came out. Bad earnings, never beat, or forecast wasn't good. Something went bad for Meta, right? And Meta sold off and at 414 and 46 cents. And this was, let me tell you when this was. This was last year. No, this was in April. And look at Meta right now. Meta is at four, currently closed, market close, and Meta is trading at $488. So again, let me go back over to Amazon. So even if, again, guys, earnings come out for Amazon, it's not good. It's a great company to buy into. So this is one of the stock that I will be watching because I want to get a lot of shares in this to sit and hold for a while so I can make great return on. And my next example I want to prove to you, just like Meta, is nothing other than Airbnb. Look what happened with Airbnb. Was trading at the all-time high of $170. Got earnings came out again. Look what happened. Going up to earnings, stock was rocking it. Got rejected. Sold off, pushed up, consolidate. Earnings came out, rapid drop. Drop, consolidated for a few, maybe a week or two, and drop again. And look what happened now, guys. Currently, Airbnb is trading at $151 a share, guys. So this is what I'm saying to you. Good company like these, even if earnings is bad, you want to buy into it. Let me give you another great example. Target, one of my favorite stock to trade. Earnings was previously Target was trading at a low of 105. Earnings came out, they didn't beat earnings, stock sold off. And look at this, from 105 to 181. And again, they missed earnings a few weeks ago, consolidated at $140 a share. Now the stock is trading at $155 a share. Guys, again, when earnings come out and we know these company that they're just great company, but therefore they miss a forecast, they missed a number, something might go bad in their earnings. And when they report those earnings, if it's good or it's bad, you don't want to sell because it's going to haunt you months to come or even weeks to come. It's going to haunt you. Again, let's look at Apple. Apple wasn't doing nothing good. Earnings came out, and I called this out live on my channel. Apple was trading at $165 a share, and I said, hey guys, listen, I still believe Apple can go lower. Apple went to 164. Go watch my videos if you don't take my word for it. Went all the way down to 164, $164.08. And from there, guys, look at Apple right now. Apple is trading at $234 till this day currently, which is 7/16. Apple is trading at $237. Guys, just to bring to you, some of these stocks are quality company. So when they're going through their rough patch, these are opportunity for buying. Why? Because we all know they're going to recover, but we just don't know when they're going to recover, but they're going to recover. Again, this is Adobe. I've been watching this stock falling from $638 all the way down to $433. And look, consolidated, found support, earnings came out better than expected, pushed up and keep rallying. Weeks from now, we're gonna pass $638 for this company because they have been doing good. These companies are quality company, been around for decades. But I just want to bring to your attention that these are some of the company I'm watching, especially Meta and Supermicro Computer to join Nasdaq soon. As you can see, this is one of my daily bread that I trade consistently, and I'm watching it. So once Supermicro Computer come over to Nasdaq, we all know it might pass $101,229. It wouldn't be at a surprise if this company goes through the roof. And earnings is expected the 6th of next month. So guys, please stay tuned and like and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I do update you guys on what I'm doing. But for now, the stock that I'm watching right now and I'm waiting to see what's going to happen with it is nothing other than Macy's, because they were the company was going to get a buyout, but the talk didn't go for a long way, so therefore the stock got rejected. And I'm watching to see if we break below $16. If we break below $16, it's an opportunity that the stock, it's possibility that the stock will continue to drop lower. But if they do, this is a company that I'm definitely going to invest in, because we all know that Macy's has been around for years, and Macy's is still going to be around. So definitely watching. And also Netflix is reporting Thursday, and this is something I'm watching. And honestly, I think Netflix is going to go through the roof with their report on Thursday. Why? Because there's so much contributing factors. They have ad revenue coming out. They're going to go live with sport, and they're the number one streaming app right now in the world. So therefore, I think Netflix is still a buy for me right now, but I'm watching to see if Netflix will come back down to $137, or if not, I will be getting some before earnings to be on the upside when it reports. Because they also told Wall Street that they won't be sharing any more of their subscribers numbers to them. Only profit they will be sharing going forward. So with that news, Netflix pulled back, and look, Netflix pulled back with that news, and look at Netflix right now. Pulled back to $543. This was in April, pulled back, and look at this. Netflix at an all-time, almost at an all-time high. So we have April, May, June, July. In 3 months, the stock recovered, and look at all time. So guys, again, when great company have bad news, golden opportunity to buy. Again, when great company have bad news, it's a golden opportunity to buy. Also, I think Boeing is at a sale right now. Bad news came out, stock sold off, because we all see what happened with Boeing. They had some issue with the authorities in regards to the plane door coming off, and a lot of the plane properties was just not intact. So therefore, the stock got rejected, came all the way down to 160, but I didn't got in at 160, and the stock is currently trading at 186. Again, bad news is good news in the market for some of these great companies, because they're not going anywhere. And I don't think they're going to beat earnings at the 31st of this month. I highly doubt it, because they have a lot of back orders. So I don't see them beating earnings, but it's definitely a stock to watch. Definitely, I'm watching it. Great company. I think it's at a great price for profit to buy, not for profit, but to buy and hold. But Nasdaq is just all over the place. Of course, Nasdaq is high, got rejected, consolidating now. We're just watching to see what happened tomorrow. But where economic data is concerned, there's not a lot of information out there now. It's only that initial claim will be released on Thursday, 8:30, and tomorrow not anything that have significant that will move or break the market. So we just seen a lot of profit taking on Nasdaq right now. So due to that, you can see that the stock Nasdaq has been going sideways, and once Nasdaq start going sideways, most of the tech stock will just do the same, unless there's a great news that comes out, and the tech stock will just follow. But until then, guys, please like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned, because I do post and update you guys what's going on in the market. But stay tuned and hit that subscribe button and like these videos. All right, let's grow this channel together. Until then, stay green, stay peace.